This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Price. Simply put, it's the price that makes this 3-bedroom 2-bath rancher very attractive. This home features total quality renovation with newer hardwood flooring throughout, fresh paint, new driveway, newer replacement windows, roof, an open concept white and bright kitchen with thick slab granite, large island and a stainless steel appliance package. The kitchen is open to family room with fireplace and custom built-ins. Bathrooms have all been updated and bedrooms are all great sized. Enjoy company out back in the fenced yard or on the large entertainment deck. Early bird gets the warm seat today. For more information, review the details below.